Welcome to Aimco Manufacturing. Here we have a tool used to pick the transmission castings that you see here. This is mounted on a gore belt G-force and a force sensing hub for our vertical control. We've got our ACU, which is our automatic clamp and unclamp control that gives us a buttonless gripping system. I'll show you how this works. We guide the tool into place, use the Delrin locator. This is a feature used to center up the jaws. We'll bottom out on the Delrin plate. Once the tool bottoms out, it'll automatically clamp and you're safe to pick. Now to release the clamp, you simply just set the part down. That's where our ACU comes into play, and then you'll be able to release the grip and you set the part down. For more product videos or more information on other lift assists, please visit aimcomanufacturing.com. Okay, thanks for watching.